Here, hopefully it's really a fucking retarded cyborg. So we'll see how this goes. Let's switch over to this head cam, I guess. Alright, let's talk about some basic maintenance for your TRX. So we're just talking super basic cabin air filter. Normally change, I don't know, every 20K or so. Importance of this filter is it does filter all the air that's going through your vents. More importantly, if it does get filled with leaves, dirt, debris, stuff like that, your blower motor for your fan sits below it, so it's got to work extra harder to propel that. And if the filter's too clogged, it obviously can't. So hit up your favorite local parts store, grab yourself a cabin air filter. We're going to swap it out here in the truck. We'll show you how easy it is. A couple minutes should be done, hopefully, if all goes to plan. I am wearing this contraption here. Hopefully, it's really a fucking retarded cyborg. So we'll see how this goes. Let's switch over to this head cam, I guess. So retarded cyborg didn't really work out on my head. It didn't pick up a whole lot what I wanted to show you. So I'm just going to hold the phone and do this. It's just going to be a little bit awkward with one hand. So yes, I did switch it out already, but it's really easy to do. It takes a minute here. So we're going to pretend that we're coming back to our cabin filter again. Open your glove box. This way we can focus in a little bit more. So we have this little plastic piece here, which is attached to the string here. We could use our one hand and hold behind the string and the plastic as well there. Okay, and we're just going to pull down on it. And we're going to push up to release some attention off the glove box. Sorry, this is a bit awkward with one hand. It's a little bit awkward here, so anyway, sorry. Push up, down, that piece comes out, get released. Then there's a tab that is here as well, and a tab that's over on this side too. So I can use my hand here and hopefully do this with one hand, just pull that over. Oh, you know what? The whole thing actually worked out there, that's fine. So what I'm showing you here is this tab is what we want to relieve the pressure on, and your glove box and should come down. So also you may want to relieve the pressure. Jesus, why am I so retarded? On this tab as well. This is your cabin filter doorlets here. Now it does show the airflow pointing downward, so make sure when you are putting in your new filter, you orientate it that way as well. There's a tab here, and a tab that's on the other side as well. You need to push those in to pop this door off. So we're going to open that there. Sorry about these angles once again. It is just a little bit awkward there. And push in your other tab. And your door is just going to open up there and pop off there. Hopefully. We were just here a few seconds ago and did that. Oh, fuck, no. Sorry, I dropped the phone. So anyways, once we have our tabs released, just pulls out. Cabin filters right here. This is obviously the new one because we taken the old one out there. And, you know, same thing. So we're going to put our cabin filter back in there. Make sure it's oriented the correct way as well with your down arrow going to the airflow. And go ahead. Put that back in there. Like so. Come on. There you go. Your door goes back on there. Push it in. You hear your clips click into place here. This part might be a little awkward with one hand. Just make sure you align your little hinges, I guess we'll say. And we're going to push up. Don't go up all the way yet until you have your other hand free, because you're going to connect that string back here first before you go all the way up. I don't think I could do this with one hand. Probably not. It's going to be a little awkward here, but we're going to just try this. So I'm going to grab the string. I apologize that you can't see this, but you understand what I'm doing here for it. Grab our string and then just push up until you hear your locks go back in place. For instance, mine is not fully up in place there yet, but now the string is supporting this. And then we just push that back up there. Push in on your left side here. Clearly that's my right side, but you know what I mean there. And that just goes back up there. Perfect. Now you got your cabin filter done. Now we be on our merry little way and not worry about allergies and blower motors blowing out of these things because they're too full of debris and stuff like that. Tough. Yeah. And so you can see, this is the old cabin filter. This filter is not a charcoal filter like the one that was installed. This used to be white. You know, like changing the furnace filter in your house are normally white filters. It is quite dirty. My truck's got about 41,000 clicks on it, so it is good to get that replaced there. There's one more thing that you can do for yourself that'll save you a couple bucks. Check out some of my other how-to videos as well. I did the oil change tutorial for the truck as well. How to install your AFE Momentum GT Intake, how to do an oil change, how to set up your Tazer as well. All the above. So now you got some extra knowledge on your hands there, and you're able to do something else for yourself, because I think the dealers around here, I think they charge about $70 for that. The filter is probably $6 or so, and yeah, you're good. Well, it's my cost, probably $19.99, something like that. So yeah, there we go. Thanks for watching. If you found something useful in this video, go ahead and smash the like button for me. Subscribe as well, and zippity-doo-dah, bitches.